soon as the door is open, it's okay, sweetie. Favorite spot? This is going to be shower. Okay, let's see what we got here. Except for a mess. So it is good enough in there, but this stuff remains a little bit flexible. Goes a little bit up and down here, and it is dry. Now that is not a problem for this project at this point. We have a nice, even front face, so that should be great. The only thing is the screws here I put in the side. They're still sticking out a bit. Where's our garbage man? It's Friday today. My shoulder blade is feeling a little better today. But I couldn't find a position to sleep last night. And the funny thing was, yesterday the only position I could be in was sitting on a chair in some way. This is funny to me. I'm now pretty sure it was from the air conditioning. I looked it up. It's pretty stupid. To the right, sweetie. We'll try and do... Whoa. We'll try and do the big round tomorrow again, okay? Por favor. At least I can do the dishes again somewhat comfortably. I didn't do the dishes for 3 days. It was smelling like a septic tank in here. Also, the girls can have their regular breakfast. Yesterday I couldn't even bend down to get it. They only got biscuits. Kira's like, Zoe's barking, but I smell food. Oh wait, there she is. Appetizer. Vamos. And for Zoe. voor Akire. Bon appetit! Was it any good? Not enough? That doesn't sound like a bark from inside the property. Hey! What are you doing over there? Stop sneaking out, Zoe. Maybe I should fix where she's sneaking out. I thought she just might start listening. Oh, you've been running again, huh? And now your paw hurts. How surprising. How surprising, Zoe.
Bom dia! Bom dia! Bom dia!
So this morning we woke up at 6 o'clock. I had high hopes yesterday. I took a siesta, like a nap in the afternoon. And I didn't have any, like I could lay in a way that I didn't have any pain. So I slept for like 2 hours and it was fine. And then the rest of the afternoon I like rested and hang out. And then when I went to bed at maybe 10 or 11, I couldn't sleep again and everything was hurting. So I thought if I fall asleep, maybe tomorrow morning it will be better, but it's still a little bit the same. It's not as bad as it was, but it's also not getting better as fast as it was yesterday. From one moment to the other, I could do like a lot of stuff again, and yeah, that's the point where it is now still. I think I should be just like moving and doing stuff. It's also better for my mind because I don't focus on like where it hurts, you know. Thank you guys for all the good wishes about me getting better. There were a lot of comments yesterday. A lot of people acknowledging the aircon. So I'll take better care of that. I think maybe also the van itself. Although I sleep with a van, I think maybe the thing I had like a month ago where it was around my whole chest, I think it was maybe from the van, but because maybe that was the point when I started using the van in the room. I don't know. I also put the fan sometimes in the evening here against the mosquitoes so that it blows on me. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Maybe we need one of those ceiling fans here.
Good morning, Zoe. Zoe, bom dia. Say bom dia. Zoe.
Zoe's ignoring me a little because we're up for an hour already. We still haven't gone for the walk. But we can't really go before 8 o'clock because otherwise the girls go running after smells. You girls. Zoe. 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 Zoe, bon dia. Zoe. Ai, sweetie. Even that doesn't hurt as much as it did yesterday. Well, I couldn't even sneeze. I didn't dare to. Come on. Right. Hoi. ¿Qué pasa? You don't really see how nice the view here is. Because these mountains in the back, you really see them like a lot better in real life.